Good morning, students. Revision class. Chapter. Right. Probability. Probability. Right. One question. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn. One card is drawn. Find the probability that the card will be 1. A face card. A face card. Second, not a face card. Not a face card. From a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, therefore, can you say what is N of S? N of S is equal to 52 cards. Understand? Now, how many face cards are there? How many face cards? Right. Let A is equal to number of face cards. Then what is N of A? N of A is equal to 12. N of A is equal to 12. Then write probability of getting a face card is equal to 12 by 52. What is 12 by 52? 3 by 30. 3 by 30. Then second part is not a face card. Not a face card means number of face cards is 12. Not a face card means what is 52 minus 12? 12 face cards are there. Therefore, 52 minus 12 is 40. Therefore, probability of getting not a face card, right? Not a face card is 40 by 52. What's the answer? 10 by 13. You can cancel by 4. 10 by 13. Right, the next question. Probability of getting a king or a jack. Probability of getting a king or a jack. Right. Can you say number of kings and jacks? Number of kings and jacks is 4 plus 4. That is equal to 8. Therefore, probability of getting a king or a jack is 8 by 52. Right. 8 by 52. What is 8 by 52? 2 by 13. Right. Probability of a king or a jack. King 4, jack 4. Therefore, 4 plus 4 is 8. Write that. Next one. Probability of a non-ace. A non-ace. How many ace cards are there? 4 ace cards. Therefore, non-ace cards. 52 minus 4. What is that? 48. Therefore, probability of getting non-ace is 48 by 52. 48 by 52. That is 12 by 13. Right? 12 by 13. Next, a red card. Probability of a red card. How many red cards are there? Yes, 26 red cards are there. Therefore, probability of a red card is 26 by 52. 26 by 52 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. One more question, right? Probability of neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen. How many kings? How many kings? 4 kings. How many queens? 4 queens. Therefore, neither a king nor a queen. Neither a king nor a queen is 52 minus 8. That is equal to 44. Right? 44. Then probability of neither a king nor a queen is 44 by 52. Right? 44 by 52. That is 11 by 30. Remember this, 11 into 4 into 13 equal to 52. 4 into 13 equal to 52. Okay. Right, the next question. Right. A bag contains 4 red, 5 blue and 6 white. A bag contains 4 red, 5 blue, 6 white. Question. Find probability of red. Probability of red. What is n of s? First you write what is n of s? 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15, isn't it? Then how many red cards? If you take red cards A, then n of A equal to 4. Therefore, probability of red card is equal to 4 by 15, right? 4 by 15. Second, blue card. What is n of B? If you take n of blue, 5 blues are there, 5, and n of S is 15. Therefore, probability of getting blue card is 5 by 15. That is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3. Then, next, probability of not white. Not white. How many white? 6 whites. Not white means 5 plus 4, 9. Isn't it? 9 by 15. 9 by 15. 3 by 5. Understand? Right. Next question. Write the question. A person standing on the bank of a river. A person standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree. A person standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. Standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. When he moves 30 meters away from the bank, he finds the angle of elevation to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tree and width of the river. Take root 3 1.732. Look here. You know how to draw this figure, isn't it? 2 triangles are there. You can mark it as A, B is the height of the tree. The first one. 2 angles are there. Then which one you mark first? That 60 degree greater angle near to the vertical tower or the tree. Understand? Always greater angle is near to the vertical wall. Then the next one is 30 degree. Understand? Now, first position of that person is here, C. Then he moves 30 meter away. Then A, B, C, you can mark it as D. In triangle ZAB or BAC. What is tan 60? Opposite by adjacent, h by x, right? Then what is tan 60? Root 3 equal to h by x. From that, h is equal to root 3x. Put equation 1. Then second figure is DAB. In DAB, tan 30 is equal to opposite h by 30 plus x. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 equal to h by 30 plus x. Therefore, h root 3 equal to 30 plus x. From that, h is equal to 30 plus x by root 3. Put equation 2. Both LHS, HH. Therefore, we can equate the RHS, right? Root 3x equal to 30 plus x by root 3. What the next step? Cross multiplication. Root 3 into root 3. 3x is equal to 30 plus x. 3x minus x. 2x equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 15. X means width of the river. Isn't it? 15. X. Look here. This is the width of the river. Tree is here. The man is standing first here. Therefore, this is the width of the tree. X is 15. Then, what is the formula? H. H is equal to root 3x. That is 1.732 into x is 15. Right? 1.732 into 15. Therefore, the final answer 25.98 meter. 25.98 meter. Right now. Right, the next question. Prove that. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. What's the LHS? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Write that. LHS equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. If there is only one fraction, what's the step? Take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. What is a into a? A into a is a square. Therefore, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is 1 minus cos theta the whole square by, always the denominator is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That is 1 minus cos square theta. Therefore, it is 1 minus cos theta the whole square by, what is 1 minus cos square theta? That is sin square theta. In maths, a square by b square we can write a by b the whole square. Therefore, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. Now, if the denominator contains only one term, the method is split. That means 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. Okay. What is 1 by sin? Cosec theta. Minus, what is cos by sin? Cot theta the whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. Understand? Right? Write the next question. Right. Cot theta by cosec theta plus 1 plus cosec theta plus 1 by cot theta is equal to 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta. If one fraction is there, what's the method? Take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply and divide by that conjugate. If two fractions are there, here a by b plus e by d, what's the method? Take the LCM. What is the LCM of cosec theta plus 1 into cot theta? Cosec theta plus 1 into cot theta. Okay. Now, here the product is the LCM, therefore the method is cross multiplication. Listen carefully. Cot theta into cot theta is cot square theta plus cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta plus 1 is cosec theta plus 1 the whole square. Cosec theta plus 1 the whole square, not cosec square theta plus 1. A into A is A square. A plus 1 into A plus 1 is A plus 1 the whole square. Therefore, here cosec theta plus 1 the whole square. X. Cot square theta plus. What is A plus B the whole square? Cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta plus 1 by cosec theta plus 1 into cot theta. Right. Now, cot square theta plus 1. What is that? Cot square theta plus 1 or 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1 into cot theta. Okay. Cosec square theta plus cosec square theta is 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta by cosec theta plus 1 into cot theta. Now 2 cosec theta we can take outside. 2 cosec theta into cosec theta plus 1 by cosec theta plus 1 into cot theta. Agree? Just simplify the steps. Cosec theta plus 1, cosec theta plus 1. Therefore, you will get 2 cosec theta by cot theta. Listen, this is not the answer. Therefore, again, you convert that into simplest form. 2 into cosec means 1 by sin theta. Into cot means cos theta by sin theta. That sign comes in the numerator. Sin cancel. 2 by cos. What is 2 by cos? 2 sec theta. Understand? Okay.